In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Capcut Templates on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. For this method, I'm going to be using the online video editor for Capcut, but you can also use the desktop app if you wish. All you have to do is, if you are doing this on the Capcut website through the online editor, is select the Templates option at the top over here. When you select Templates at the top, you will be redirected to this page where you can start browsing templates made available by Capcut themselves. Once you find one that satisfies you, you simply have to click it once, and as you can see, it's going to give you a brief description of the template, how many clips are required, text material, and the aspect ratio for this template. And it's also going to tell you if it's available for commercial use. Simply click Use this template and you will be redirected to the editor of this template. As you can see, it looks very similar to this one. And from here, you can change whatever you like, replace the clips, replace the text, and you will be able to export it over here at the top right corner of your screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Capcut Templates on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.